Understanding the phrase, "It's gold-plated," a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, "It's gold-plated." This expression is not only visually descriptive but also carries deeper meanings in various contexts. Let's dive into understanding what it means and how you can use it effectively in English conversations. In this section, we'll look at the literal meaning of the term, gold-plated. Something that is gold-plated is covered with a thin layer of gold. This is often done for decorative purposes, to make objects look more valuable or attractive. However, underneath the gold layer, the object is usually made of a less valuable material. This literal understanding is essential as it forms the basis for the metaphorical uses of the phrase. Now, let's explore the metaphorical usage. Gold-plated is often used to describe something that appears valuable or high quality on the surface but might not be so in reality. It implies that the real value or quality of the thing is less than what it appears to be. This metaphorical use is common in various contexts, from business to personal relationships. In this part, we will see examples of how gold-plated can be used in sentences. In business, their service is gold-plated, but the quality doesn't live up to the hype. In personal opinions, he drives a gold-plated sports car, but it's just for show. In technology, this gold-plated smartphone looks luxurious, but it functions the same as the regular model. It's important to address common confusions. Gold-plated should not be confused with solid gold, which means something made entirely of gold. The difference highlights the superficial versus the substantial. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, "It's gold-plated," in both its literal and metaphorical senses. Remember, English is a language rich with such expressions, and understanding them can add depth to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills.